Namaskar everyone. Myself Dr. Suma Joshi. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor, MD in Panchakarma. I welcome you all to my this channel, YouTube channel. We all have seen that Baba Ramdev ji has launched his Patanjali Coronal Kit. So I want to discuss something about that. As I have seen in news, it is having three medicines. In that, two are tablets and one is Anutaila. Today we will go in detail about Anutaila. So what is this Anutaila? It is an Ayurvedic classical preparation and it is mentioned in our Ayurvedic classical texts. So how to use this Anutaila? So Anutaila, what we have to do is we have to lie down in a supine position, means our back should be touching to the floor. Then we should make our head little bit upward. Then two drops in this nostril and we should put two drops in this nostril. After that we should rub like this. Then we should take deep breath. Then it will come to the throat. We should not take inside, but we should spit it out. It should not go inside our stomach. If it goes, it may produce some digestive related problems. After that, we should gargle with hot water. Hot water can be added with salt. So now question comes, when we have to do this. So in Ayurvedic classics they have mentioned like 15 times. So it doesn't mean that you have to take this Anutaila for 15 times in one day. It means you can select any time in 15 times once daily you have to do it. But if you ask me, according to me, using Anutaila in the morning on empty stomach is very good, because in some people it will produce vomiting sensation, it will produce irritation. So it is better to use in the morning, especially empty stomach. After doing gargling, one can take tea, coffee, anything, kashayas, whatever you are taking, after 15 to 20 minutes after this. So when you are using this Anutaila, one main thing is for continuously 3-4 days, like from today you are starting. So from today, like 3 to 4 days, full day, you may experience some type of sputum is coming in your mouth, in your throat. So you should not take inside, but you should spit it out. So that is the better way. After that you will be used to it and you will feel very relaxed, very good, very better. So along with this, it is you having many benefits. Like in Ayurveda they have mentioned using Anutaila daily through the nose. It is having so many good qualities, like it will whatever diseases are there above the shoulder, like parts, like maybe teeth earache, eye pain, any hair related problem, eye related problem, it will take care everything. It will strengthen the upper body parts. So it is mentioned like that. So who should not do this? Especially who are pregnant, who are menstruating, the children below 7 years, and old age people above the 80 years, who is having severe rhinitis, severe headache, fever. These people should not do this procedure. So next questions comes is like, I'm not having corona, I'm not corona positive, so should I do this or should not I? So the main thing is in Ayurveda it is mentioned as a daily regimen, like how we do brushing, exercise, bathing, everything we do now daily morning after getting up. In the same way, even doing this procedure is also mentioned as a part of a daily regimen. So it is very good, one can do this. Next question comes is how it is going to act, in especially in case of coronavirus infection. So coronavirus, how it enters through the nose. After entering through the nose, to reach the lungs, it will take like 3 to 5 days. As mentioned, it may take 3 to 5 days. Till that time it will stay in the nasal mucosa. So once the coronavirus enters, when we are doing this procedure, it will first of all it will eliminate through our mouth. when you are doing this procedure daily, so it will eliminate through the mouth. And if we are not infected with coronavirus and doing this procedure, there are every chances that this coronavirus will not stick to the nasal mucosa and will produce the disease. So it is better, even we are not infected with the virus, then also it is better to use this Anu Taila for this procedure. Next question comes is, this coronal kit, Ayush Ministry has means it has withholded it because they want to go through it detailedly about research projects, everything. So they have withholded it. So where will we get this Anu Taila? So you will get Anu Taila like in most of the Ayurvedic pharmacies they produce Anu Taila. So wherever you will ask, you will get this Anu Taila. It will be like this small bottle Anu Taila. So it costs around 55. It will not cost more than 100 rupees. So you can use it. It is very easy to use. So we can use it. So if after doing this also, it is very mandatory to follow whatever WHO guidelines have mentioned, like wearing mask, washing hands and everything. It is you are doing Anu Taila, it doesn't mean that you will not be infected with coronavirus, but along with that you have to follow WHO guidelines and whatever Ayush Ministry has told, like taking the kashayas, that whatever it is mentioned, and taking the Chyawanprash daily, it is mentioned. So it should one should continue all these things. So more than this, if you are having any doubts, any related doubts, please write in the comment box. I will try to answer it. And if you get any nearby Ayurvedic physician also, you can contact them and ask the details. And please, I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.